If reading is what you're not needing, then this summary with Sunny will really be helpful to you. Before you read this article down below, you can watch this video and it'll give you a quick rundown of what it's about.
You know, buying a fixer-upper in Sacramento can be a great way to break into the housing market. But here's the truth. Once you move in, those renovation costs can sneak up fast. New kitchen, HVAC, landscaping, it adds up. The good news? You don't have to drain your savings or take out high-interest loans to make those upgrades happen. Refinancing might be the secret weapon that turns your fixer-upper into your dream home. In 2025, we're seeing property values across Sacramento rise steadily, and that means homeowners are sitting on more equity than they realize. By refinancing, you can tap into that equity to fund home improvements without adding new debt or juggling multiple payments. Think of it this way. Your home's value has grown, and refinancing lets you use a portion of that growth to reinvest right back into the property. I've seen it firsthand. A couple in Oak Park bought a 1940s bungalow. It needed everything. 2 years later, they refinanced, pulled about $95,000 from their equity, and completely transformed the place. New kitchen, bathrooms, even solar panels. Another homeowner in Citrus Heights used a VA refinance to make full ADA renovations on a discounted property. And one family in South Natimus refinanced using a non-QM loan to add a new bedroom, without increasing their monthly payment. These aren't rare stories anymore. This is what Sacramento homeowners are doing right now. Now, the right refinance option really depends on your goals. A cash-out refinance is great if you want one lump sum for a big project. A FHA 203K loan can cover both purchase and renovation costs. If you're self-employed, a non-QM refinance lets you qualify using bank statements instead of W-2s. And for ongoing projects, a HELOC gives you flexible access to funds as you go. The point is, there's a refinance tool for just about every homeowner and every stage of renovation. So here's the takeaway. You don't have to move to find your dream home. You might already live in it. You just need the right strategy to bring it to life. At Kees Lending, our motto is simple questions deserve simple answers. We'll help you unlock your home's equity, choose the best refinance plan, and turn that someday renovation list into reality. If you're ready to see what your home's equity can really do, reach out today. Your dream home might be hiding right where you are.